Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Amazon Affiliate OneLink Globalization Redirect. This powerful feature automatically redirects your international visitors to their local Amazon store, helping you earn commissions from customers worldwide instead of losing them at checkout. Let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to the Amazon Associates Central website. Open your browser and navigate to affiliate-program.amazon.com. Once you're there, sign in using your Amazon Associates account credentials. Make sure you're logged into the correct account that's linked to your affiliate program. After signing in, look to the top right corner of the page where you'll see a menu icon with 3 horizontal lines. Click on that menu icon, and from the options that appear, select Tools. This is where Amazon houses all the useful features for managing and optimizing your affiliate links. In the Tools section, you'll find an option called OneLink. Click on it to access the OneLink settings page. This is the control center for your global redirect feature and where you'll configure which countries you want to include in your redirect setup. Now you can start adding countries to your OneLink setup. Click on Manage Countries, then select the plus Add Countries button. You'll see a list of available countries with checkboxes next to each one. Go through and check the boxes for the countries you want to enable, or if you want to maximize your reach, simply use the Select All checkbox to include every available country at once. Once you've selected your countries, click Next. You'll be prompted to review the operating agreement, so click on the link to read through it. After reviewing the terms, select the checkbox to accept the terms and conditions, then click Submit. This officially adds those countries to your OneLink configuration. Next, you'll want to set your redirection preference, which determines how OneLink handles product matching for international visitors. Click Update below the OneLink Redirection Preferences section. You'll see 3 options here. Close Match is the default setting and redirects international visitors to similar or exact products in their local Amazon store, giving you the best chance of earning a commission. Exact Match only redirects if the exact same product exists locally. Otherwise, it sends visitors to the local Amazon search page. Do Not Redirect disables the OneLink redirect entirely if you prefer manual control. Finally, click Save Changes to apply your redirection preference. That's it. Your Amazon OneLink Globalization Redirect is now active, and you'll start earning commissions from international customers automatically. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.